Good morning. This is Mrs. Carr. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, and I am here for your rundown on math. All right, so we are looking at today's lesson. So we are going to start today with rounding. I know it says adding and subtracting, but we're actually going to be doing some rounding first, and then tomorrow we'll get into that adding and subtracting of decimals. So the very first thing that I want you to do is watch one of these videos, either this one or this one. This one you're actually going to save for tomorrow. So don't worry about this one right now, and you're just going to pick this one or this one. Okay, save this one for tomorrow. Once you've finished watching those videos, then you're going to come over here and complete one of these. And again, it's just like yesterday's, guys. This is your PDF version if you want to print something off, and this is your digital version if you want to if you want to type it right in the screen and share it with your teacher. So you're going to click on this, and this is like a 2-for-1 because it has an anchor chart and it has some practice problems that you can do all in the same time. So up here is your anchor chart, and it tells you step by step, reminding you of what to do, of how to round. Okay, and then down here are some practice problems. If you choose to print it out, then you're going to need to go ahead and take a picture of it and send it to your teacher, versus this one. If you do it on this one, you're going to open that up, make a copy, and then that way you can just type in your answers right into the document and share it live. Okay, so here's your anchor chart as a reminder of how you round. Okay, and then on the second slide, here is where you would write all your answers, and it tells you write the place of the underlined digit, so that would go in this top square, and then you would round each number to that place, and so your answer would be here. So 2 answers for a reason. So the first thing is you're telling me where is it being rounded to, and then what is your answer, what place value is it being rounded to, and then what is the answer, and then what's your and then same thing on this one. This one just wants to know what place did it round to. Okay, so this one actually did the rounding, and so what place value did it get rounded to? Once you're done with that, then you're going to go ahead and share that document with your teacher. So here is where you'll type that in. And as I was telling you guys yesterday, when you share a document, guys, please make sure you're checking your emails. Every time you share work with us, whether it's in your on this document like this in Google, or if it's in the discussion post or on a message in Schoology, we reply to everything. So look for the replies back from your teachers. So in this case, if you're sharing this document, you're going to have to check your email. And if you're not sure how to get to your email, then you're going to go to your dashboard. I don't have that tab up for you at the moment. I can show you later. But go to your email, the tab, the way you get to that is in your dashboard. Open it up and check for those responses. Okay. All right. Then once you're done with that, here's your answer key is right here. And again, don't open up that answer key until after you have done your answers. I mean, until have done it. Please don't cheat and look ahead. Okay, guys? Then, as I told you before, this is simply a how-to if you need to know how to get onto Google. But most of you are already on Google. That's how you're watching this or listening to this video. All right? And then of course, these are some options here if you wanted to go to the open middle. But here's another option. This is taking that rounding one step further. So over here we rounded, and this extra activity is taking it one step further. And again, you have your digital version. Here's your PDF version that you can print out, and here's your digital version that you can type into, and they're the same thing. So you're rounding and then adding or subtracting. Again, so you're taking what you did over here, rounding, putting those skills to use, by rounding and then adding and subtracting what you rounded. Here's your answer key. If you're choosing to do the digital option, as always, share it with us and then go back and check your email so you can see what responses that you have from your teachers. All right, then go flip back into your Schoology tab. Don't forget to answer your discussion question down here. And then if you're stuck or wanting more work on top of that, then you have the options of these two here, the I need help or the give me more. So go ahead and click on those. And again, guys, you have all week to do this, so you can spread it out. You don't have to do all of these at once. Same thing with the give me more. You don't have to do all of them at once. All right, guys, that is it for today. I hope you had a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.